Welcome back to Market Pros, and let's get right into it. So, on Bitcoin here, RSI, we did get in the bullish control zone. We are above the signal line. Volatility's in the upper zone now. Seems like it's turning around a little bit. It seems to top out at each one of these pullbacks, which is a very good sign, which means, you know what I mean? It's like the corrective move. Then your volatility starts to rise as your price action starts to rise. That's a good move, or those are good moves. MACD, let's see here. MACD looks like the positive momentum is decreasing. We are above the signal line. We could come back down for a retest. Let's see here. Let's zoom in down to the 1 hour. Okay, so on the 1 hour, all your moving averages have positive slopes. Okay, so your RSI is trying to test. Basically, we're forming in a descending wedge or a descending channel on the RSI, which the measured move would lead us back into the bullish control zone about the 71 level. So yeah, so we're going to get into why I think it's going to go to the 50 here in a second. Volatility is very low. So the next move should be pretty decent, either to the downside or the upside. BBWP does not tell you direction. Fresh cross to the downside. Negative momentum is decreasing just a hair, but I mean, it did increase since we got that cross, and the cross was basically right here when we tapped this resistance for the third time. We're coming up to the fourth right now. So basically I have an alarm here, and then I'm watching the chart also. If we break out of here, you know, my next target would be 45K. And I mean, we're not that far from that. But honestly, if we break above this, I think we go to the top of the ascending triangle that I have. And then if we can break 45,500, then I think we go to 54K. I mean, it's not just going to happen all at once. It's going to ebb and flow. Now to why I think we're going to get a pullback. Well, there's two cases. I always give you the bullish case and the bearish case. I'm leaning a little more towards a minor pullback on the 1 hour. I think we could come down to the 50 and give up this part of the rally, because this kind of starts to look like a Bart pattern. So, and we'll get out our drawing tool. So what a Bart is when the price, and now this can be inverted as well. Price action will come up. It'll start chopping back and forth sideways. And then it'll come back down and basically give up part of the rally. Kind of looks like Bart Simpson's head. So that's what a Bart pattern is. And they play out a lot in Bitcoin, a lot. So a lot of times when it'll go up or go straight down and then start moving completely sideways, starts to look like Bart's head, you know, we could come back down and give up. There's a lot of times it'll give up the whole rally, but you know, I think the 50 will hold. I think we will make the higher low. I mean, we could get a wick all the way down to the 100, and still, if we cross above this VPVR support at 43K, we're still in good shape. So yeah, on the 1 hour, volatility is very low. Okay, we already went through this. Sorry. So yeah, those are my thoughts on Bitcoin. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.